lovelies, welcome back to my channel Kirat Styles and Beauty. My name is Kirat, and if you're new to this channel, please don't mind to subscribe to this channel. So today we are doing all glammed up party makeup look. I'm going to give this look a burgundy touch because I'm wearing a burgundy suit, which is by the way sent by a designer, Kinka Boutique. I'm going to link their page down below. Please do check it out. So without further ado, let's start this video. So I'm starting my makeup with this primer from Benefit. This is the Pore Fessional Pearl Primer. So the next step is foundation, obviously, and I'm taking this foundation from Loreal. It's their Infallible Stay Fresh Foundation 24 hour, and my shade name is Beach Door Golden Beach 140 is the number. I'm going to take this much. Since we are doing a glowy makeup look, I'm gonna add this liquid strobing liquid from Maybelline into the foundation. Now taking this foundation brush from Model's Prefer, I'm going to mix it first. I'm gonna apply to my face. So guys, now I'm going over with my beauty sponge, so it will soak any extra product. So for the concealer, I'm gonna use this MAC Pro-longwear Concealer. To use one pump. So I'm using this light concealer because I want to highlight my under eye area. So my under eye area will look more bright. So to give my cheeks fake contour look, I'm gonna use this concealer and make a line here. Straight line. I'm gonna use this concealer on my forehead as well. Basically, I'm applying this concealer on all the areas I want to highlight. On the bridge of my nose as well. Now I'm done with my concealer. Let's powder our face. So I'm going to use this big brush, and for the powder, I'm using Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless Pressed Powder, and set my face lightly. Let's contour our face. I'm using this Hoola from Benefit. I'm going to use the brush which comes with the product, making the fish face. Contoured my face. Done with the contouring, let's jump into blush. For the blush, I'm using this Milani Baked Blush in the shade Luminoso. This is my all-time favorite blush. Using this brush to blush my cheeks. So this blush gives you a stunning glow. For highlighting my face, I'm going to use this sleek makeup palette. This palette is amazing. The highlighters are stunning. Now it's time to do our eyebrows. I'm going to use this L'Oreal Paris High Contour Brow Artist Pencil. And it's in the shade Cool Brunette 107. So I'm gonna lightly fill in my brows. So I've filled my brows, and now I'm gonna set it with this Brow Artist Plumper from L'Oreal Paris. It's tinted as well. So using my foundation on this flat top brush, I'm going to clean my eyebrows so it will look more sharper. So the eyebrows are done. Now we are heading to our eyes. Let's just conceal our eyelids first with any concealer or foundation. I'm using my foundation itself. So I'm taking tiny bit of foundation on my beauty blender, my beauty sponge, and apply onto my eyelids. Now I'm gonna set my eyelids with this loose powder. This one is from Too Faced Peach Perfect Powder. You can use any loose powder. Just dab it. So this step is very crucial whenever you are applying any eyeshadow, so your eyeshadow will pop. So for the eyeshadow, I'm going to use this palette from Morphe and Jacline Hill. So I'm using this shade Mugshot from this palette, and I'm using this crease blending brush. So I'm going to place this color onto my crease. So using this same brush, I'm going to place this burgundy color framed onto my eye. I'll work with this color into outer corner. I'm trying to create a V with this color, outer V. Now I'm blending the both colors. So taking this burgundy color again, framed, I will place this color from the inner corner and I'll try to bring it towards outer corner. Now I haven't concentrated on the center part of my eye because I want to put some glitter on it. So this glitter liner thingy is from W7. So I'm taking this. You can take any gold eyeshadow as well, or any glitter eyeshadow. I'm taking this one. So I'm placing this glitter only on the center part of my eye. So I place the glitter. So it's time to apply some eyeliner. I'm going to use this gel eyeliner from Maybelline and it's in the shade Blackest Black. I'm going to apply this eyeliner with the help of this brush. This is kind of angled brush. Dip into the liner. So firstly I'm going to create my wing. So now I'm done with the eyeliner. Now I'm going to place whatever left on this brush underneath my lower lash lines. Lower lash line. Now I'm going to curl my eyelashes and put some mascara on. By the way, the mascara I used is this Bad Girl Bang from Benefit. I'm gonna take this small brush and going to use this shiny golden shimmery eyeshadow from the palette. I'm going to highlight my inner corner and my brow bone as well. So it's time to put on some lipstick. I'm going to use this shade from Estee Lauder and the shade name is 410 Spontaneous. To set my face, I'm going to use this all-nighter from Urban Decay. So guys, this is my makeup look and now it's time to style the suit. Let's do it. Guys, I've tied my hair back in a sleek ponytail and I've added these jhumkis. So these are green jhumkis. I thought I should give a contrast to this outfit. So I've added this green jhumkis. These jhumkis are from Kirat Designs in Melbourne. So these anklets are also from Kirat Designs and these footwears are from Zara. For my video. If you like my makeup and my outfit, do like, share and comment, and please subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.